How to use New York Life Insurance as a properly beginner. Mistakes that cost you. New York Life Insurance is a trusted option for long-term financial security, but many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or increase costs. The surprising truth is that owning a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it effectively. One common mistake is selecting the wrong policy type. Term life covers a specific period and is affordable, while whole or universal life offers lifetime coverage and cash value growth. Choosing incorrectly can leave gaps or result in unnecessary expenses. Another frequent error is underestimating coverage amounts. Many underestimate future financial needs like mortgage, education, and everyday living expenses. Accurately calculating your coverage ensures your loved ones are fully protected. Failing to update your beneficiaries is a major issue. Life events like marriage, divorce, or having children can change who should receive your death benefit. Not updating your policy can lead to disputes or delays during a claim. Ignoring riders or policy enhancements is another mistake. New York Life offers options like accelerated death benefits, disability riders, and long-term care add-ons. Overlooking these can mean missing valuable protection. Finally, misunderstanding cash value or premium flexibility can be costly. Keep track of policy performance, loan options, and premium adjustments to ensure your plan continues to meet your needs over time. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of New York Life Insurance ASA. Choose the right policy type, maintain sufficient coverage, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and understand policy mechanics. This ensures your insurance truly protects your family and financial future.